Hello!
Good morning, ma'am. Oh, ma'am, may dress code po tayo. Bakit tayo nakasanda, ma'am?
Ha? Bakit naman? Di ba inclusive tong school natin? Kaya pwede ko suotin yung gusto kong suotin.
Well, tamang sinabi ni student. Inclusive ang school natin. Pero, we should still follow formality, especially coming to school. Let's say sa college, meron tayong iba't ibang program. In every program, may kanya-kanyang policy when it comes to dress code. Bakit ba may dress code? In order to determine ahead what program you belong.
Sorry po, guard. Nagmamadali po kasi ako.
Palista na lang pang menu dito, ma'am.
So, tama naman na may karapatan tayong magsuot kung anong gusto natin, right? But we're student, education student. So, dapat may limitation tayo kung anong gusto natin suotin.
We present our program, right?
Of course, especially we're educators, may talaga yung policy natin when it comes to mga...
Ito ay eduk shirt. Sinusuot to every seminar, sport fest, kapag mainit ang panahon, at pang wash day every Friday.
Ito ang formal attire. Every time na susuotin ko ay feeling ko isa na akong ganap na guro.
Ito ang daily uniform sa education. Every Monday, Wednesday, at Friday, pwede rin ito suotin.
Ang pagsunod sa dress code ay hindi ito para hadlangan kayo, kundi para panatilihing marespeto, desente, at professional. As a future professionals, we are not just here to learn lessons from our chosen programs. We are also here to improve our skills and socialize. Let's start practicing professionalism in simple ways, like wearing the proper prescribed attire.